Then why do you call yourselves media kung dili ka abot sa inyo as? Diba?
Good job.
Yan, like I said, mentioned earlier,
our future president after Inday Sara.
Nato ng mga densely populated barangays nato, mao kuno gyud ilang problema. So, usbon ako dire, kung di mo mohawa, di mo undang, patyon ta mo. Dili ka afford nga madaot ang family, ang mga community tungod lang na for your selfish venture. Gusto lang ka mo dato kay mamaligya kag droga. Unya, imong daoton ang lain tao tungod sa imong because of your greediness, patyon ta.
Sir, pwede na tayo, may pila ka barangay ba?
Probably, I have the data. If you want it, I can provide it later. But there is an increase in illegal drug use. And mo gining mulo gyud sa mga kuan, kapitan. So, natay increase. Well, we cannot close our borders, man. Dilis lisod eh. Di na siya basta-basta nga kuan nga hugtan nimo unless we are our own sovereign state, magbutang tag border diha unya imo nang abrihan gyud ang sakyanan doon sa iunod ana.
Mayor dato sa mga barangay kapitan.
Well, I just need their cooperation. Kana lang gyud. Cooperate lang sila sa police. Maora na and that's it. So kinanglan bantayan po nila mga community. Kung saan ay mga suspicious activities, dili nila i-tolerate.
Alright. Mayor, would you give a timeline to our new city director when it comes to the reduction of drug cases in Davao?
For as long as he is the city director, then he will be actively buhaton to niya kung stand by my pronouncement.
Sir, taganong sila chance to lead Davao City. Kano sa deadline na?
Ugma dayon, hawa na mo dire. Panghipos na mo sa inyong mga gamit karon, hawa na mo.
If these people, sir, are still in Davao City, sa bang
then I am sorry. I am sorry. If you magdakpon mo, unya musukol mo, di mamatay mo because I will tell the police na musukol gyud because I cannot allow nga akong mga police, ang atong mga police mo ma-disgrasya na.
Alright, Mayor, there are worries, kahit yung topic, Mayor, there are worries kasi na pag ma-serve na yung arrest order against Pastor Apollo Kibuloy here in Davao City.
I do not want to comment because that is a national matter and you know, like we're talking about something else here.
But what will be your directive for a peaceful that serves ng warrant for arrest, ng arrest order?
Well, if that is do your job properly. If there is something wrong with the arrest, then you know, like, but you know, like, I do not want to comment on this. This is a national matter. It's a political matter actually. It's in the Senate.
Topic, Mayor, you are very serious on the matter of the mga nag-viral sa social media like sa paghabol ng mga nag-drug racing and nag-viral sa
yes.
traffic rules na kung sa ba niya total war ba against these violators?
Delay. Kaya na mga drag race, from time to time, naamang gina sila. And sometimes, madakpan magina sila. Like, if gisubaybayan unta ninyo, kamo mga media, katong adlaw nga nigawas ng video, kinaugmaan, nakuha na mo na. And yet, I do not know nga nung dili po ninyo na ipakita. Then you should, you know, like, let the people know. It happened 2 times already. Naapoy isa ka video, nahitabo, kinaugmaan, nakuha na mo. Napakoy usa ka pangluod sa inyo ha. Naatay police dire, na police operation by bus. Naigo ang atong police. Wala gid ninyo gi-honor by publishing kung unsa yung sakripisyo diri para sa mga tao. So that is your responsibility actually. Then why do you call yourselves media kung dili ka abot sa inyo as? Di ba?
Sometimes it's hard for us to interview police.
And
no, it's your job.
And then Mayor na po usahin na dili.
We will do our job and we will let you do your job. Okay? Let's just be fair here. That's it. Kung man ako storya, I think I have answered your questions quite sufficiently. Thank you. Maayong hapon sa inyong tanan.
That's our next.